Assalamualaikum and hi to everyone who is watching. Today we are going to present about trigonometry and coordination.
Who is who? Hi everyone, this is our teammate. We have Ali Naufal, Iskandar, Umar, Ria and Marsha. What is trigonometry? Trigonometry is the branch of mathematics concerned with specific functions of angles and their application to calculation.
These are the basic formula in trigonometry.
Application of trigonometry. Trigonometry can be used to measure the height of a building or mountains. Trigonometry is used in video games, construction, flight engineering, and physics. Also, archaeologists use trigonometry too.
Okay, now let's look for the first question. The first question is, Melody was going to participate in an annual grand concert at Sydney Opera House. When she arrived, she was stunned by the majestic Opera House. Diagram 1.1 shows where Melody stands a meter away from the Sydney Opera House. Melody searched Google and it stated that the height of the Opera House is 65 meters. If the angle of elevation from Melody to the top of the Opera House is 30 degrees, find the value of A. The second question is, by using Pythagoras theorem, find the distance between Melody and the top of the Sydney Opera House. Okay, for the first question, we can easily solve the problem by using tan theta equals to opposite per adjacent. By using the angle of elevation from Melody, which is 30 degree, we can solve it by using the formula tan 30 equals to 65 over alpha. Alpha equals to 65 over tan 30 degree, and the value of alpha is 112.58 meters. Easy, right? Okay, for the next sub-question, we must use Pythagoras theorem and find the distance of between Melody and the top of the Sydney Opera House. By using A equals to root B square plus C square, we can easily solve this question. ds is equal to root 112.58 square plus 65 squares. And the answer we can get is 4,337.58 meters.
Now, we move on to the next question on stage. The question stated that Melody, in her position at coordinate 3, 6 and Liam at 5, -4 were placed on the stage based on the Cartesian plate shown in the diagram 2.1. Liam and Melody are placed in a circular locus with the old statue at the center of the circle shown in the diagram as well. Liam and Melody is the diameter of the circular locus. Question A. With the information given, find the equation of the circular locus. Question B. Jennifer was placed at coordinate 6, 1. The position of Melody, Liam and Jennifer on stage form a triangle. Based on the triangle form, find the angle from Jennifer's perspective. Now we look at how to answer these questions. For question A, we need to know the equation of the circular of the locus by using x minus x1 squared plus y minus y1 squared equals to r squared. Okay, first we need to find the center of the circle. We can find the center of the circle by the coordinate of the center of the circle. So substitute negative 5 plus 3 over 2 and negative 4, 6 over 2, and we get the coordinate of the center of the circle, which is negative 1, 1. Next, we can find the radius of the circle by calculating the length between the center's coordinate and Melody's coordinate. So substitute into the calculation of the radius, so we get 41. So finally, the final answer for question 1, the equation of the circular locus is equal to x plus 1 squared plus y minus 1 squared equals to 41. For question B, first we need to determine their distance to each other. The distance for Melody Liam is equal to 12.805 units by using the distance formula for 2 points. The same method was used to find the distance between Melody Jennifer, which is 5.831 units, and Jennifer Liam, 12.083 units. The next step is by using the formula a squared equals to b squared plus c squared minus bc cos a. Substitute all the information given into the formula. So it will be 12.806 squared equals to 5.831 squared plus 12.083 squared minus 5.831 multiplied by 12.083 cos A. Cos A equals to 0.2272. So A equals to 76.87 degree. A is equals to the degree. So the final answer of this question is theta equals to 76.87 degree.
After the performance, Melody wants to ride a yacht beside the opera house. Fortunately, she met her old friend Malik there, who is working as the yacht instructor. She gets a discount, and Malik explained a bit about the yacht structure as shown as in diagram 3.1. Given the ratio of BC and CD is 1 and 3, based on the information given in diagram 3.1, find the length of BCD if the height of the sail or AC is 3.65 meter. Malik told Melody to help him buy a new sail, but he need to figure out the total area of the sail needed. Now, help Melody find the area of the sail. Okay, for question A, given that the ratio of BC and CD is 1 and 3, based on the information given in diagram 3.1, find the length of BCD. Okay, we will be using tan theta equals to opposite over excitation. So, from the question, we will get tan 32 equals to 3.65 over alpha. Alpha is equals to 3.65 over tan 32, which is 5.85. Okay, to get the area, we must use Pythagoras theorem. So, dA equals to set 3.65 power of 2 plus 7.787 to the power of 2. So, we will get 8.562 meter. Then we will be using identity, which is half AB sin theta. So we will need to replace the number. So we will get 17.665 meter squared.
So, the conclusion to our topic today, trigonometry mostly can be seen in our daily life in architecture, measuring the leg, angles, and distance between two objects. Trigonometry also use the Cartesian graph in our daily life to measure the distance between 2 points relative to the origin. This can be any points as long as the distance of the unit is uniform, and sometimes the points can show more information by checking them into functions such as Pythagoras theorem to find the distance between 2 points. That's all from us today. Thank you everyone for watching. See you again. Bye.